This is one of my least favorite chores, so it doesn't get done very often, but clean my fridge, freezer, and pantry with me. I already took everything out and wiped down the fridge. And here's everything that had to come out of it. Super chaotic. It only had one little bin in there, so all of this was just kind of hanging out. So you can see I got some new bins at Home Goods today, and we're in much better shape. I feel very fancy with my egg bin. Onto the freezer, pulled everything out, went ahead and wiped it all down. And we didn't have a ton in the freezer, but I still pulled it all out and we'll reorganize it. Popped everything right back in there. It looks pretty similar, but at least it's clean. Now this pantry, wrecked. I have so many containers to make it look more organized. I just don't ever use them. I don't know what's wrong with me. Now we're back in action. It's still pretty cluttered on the left side, lots of appliances, but at least I can see what we actually have. And that's everything.